Hi everyone, this is Shravan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will discuss about the GATE 2021 exam pattern and as well as syllabus which are mentioned in information brochure. Okay, so some minor changes available in GATE 2021 exam pattern as well as syllabus also. Okay, they redefine the syllabus for each and every stream. So once we will look into that particular syllabus as well as exam pattern aspects. Okay, so now this is information brochure. Okay, now just if you observe highlights of the GATE 2021. Okay, so dates here they are mentioned dates earlier also we have two sessions forenoon as forenoon and afternoon. In this 2021 also same, and computer basic test this is also same, and in this for this 2021 year they are introduced two new papers. One is environmental science and engineering, another one is humanities and social sciences. Okay, so and next thing we have total number of gate papers that is 27. In previous we have 25. Right now we have 27 by including this ES as well as social sciences and humanities. And the syllabus of all subjects papers have been revised. Okay, so some of the concepts are removed and some advanced topics are added in this GATE 2021 syllabus. And next thing, in exam pattern also this is very important, this one. So in previous case we have only multiple choice questions, this first one, multiple choice questions and numerical answer type questions are available in 2020 gate paper, and earlier versions 2019 to 2018 also we have only two types of questions. So one is multiple choice questions, another one is numerical answer type questions. So whereas in numerical answer type questions we don't have any negative marking scheme. Okay, but in this 2021 question paper they are introducing multiple select questions. This is the new way of question presentation, right? So multiple select question, that means what we can expect uh, answers out of ABCD. So ABCD, so for a given question, so we can expect more than two answers also. So for example, for the given question A and B are the correct answers, okay, and C and D are wrong answers. Okay, like that, and we can expect two correct answers out of given four options. So if you tick two options only, they will give the credits, otherwise they won't give the credits. Okay, so this is one more new way of questions that are present in this GATE 2021 paper: multiple choice questions, multiple select questions, and numerical answer type questions. So whereas in second and third method, whereas second and third type questions we don't have any negative marking scheme. So only the negative marking scheme is appeared for multiple choice questions only. Okay, that means which are having four options A B C D. Out of four options only one is the correct answer, remaining three are wrong. If you choose wrong answers means you will get negative mark. Okay, and these multiple select questions are a newly introduced one in GATE 2021 question paper. Okay, we have total 65 questions. Okay, so here they are mentioned three ways of three types of questions. So we can expect approximately 20 questions for each method. So we can expect 20 multiple choice questions, we can expect 20 20 to 23 multiple select questions, and in the similar way for numerical answer type questions also we can expect 20 to 25, right? Like that they will divide. Okay, okay. So this is about exam pattern. And one more major thing is one or two subjects papers are allowed for each student. So if you have capability to attempt the gate papers, so you can access two papers for gate for 2021 year. Okay, so if that means if schedule permits you can access the two papers, if schedule not permits you can't access the two gate papers. For example, if EC student is there, so instrumentation also, instrumentation students and EC students both are having same syllabus appropriately. Okay, that means, and moreover, some little bit changes will be there. So one or two subjects are extra in instrumentation while comparing to easy subjects. Okay, so if uh, that means the student can take both the EC as well as instrumentation paper also. So if time schedule is permits, if that student can appear these two gate papers. Okay, so that is also one of the major change in gate 2021 mm, question paper and exam scheme. And one more thing, three things. Okay, so minor changes in syllabus and some of the changes in exam pattern. And this time they can access, they can give the chance to appear two gate papers. So these are the major changes which are observed in gate 2020, right? And next we will move to syllabus. And one more thing, there is no age limit for GATE 2021 examination. In previous exams also same thing, and application will be accepted online only. Okay, and in this 2021, they are providing 3 years validity for GATE score. Okay, so for third year student, this is the best opportunity. If those people are secured good rank in third year, and in fourth year they will focus on placements. Okay, so that is the best opportunity for third year students. Okay, so for gate 2021 scorecard having 3 years validity. Okay, that is one of the key observation in gate 2021. And depending on COVID-19 situation, the schedule of the gate 2021 examination may change, so we can't expect the exact dates. Okay, so they are providing some dates, maybe that may vary due to this COVID-19 situation also. And this is the official link which are provided in information brochure to apply online for gate paper by using this link. Okay, and if any changes will be available, and if any updates, just you visit this website, right? So and here we can observe eligibility criteria for GATE 2021. A candidate who is currently studying in third and higher years of any undergraduate degree program or has already completed any government approved degree program in engineering, technology, architecture, science, commerce, arts is eligible for appearing in GATE 2021 exam. Okay, and here they are mentioned fee particulars. Female candidates per paper is 750 rupees, and SC, ST, PWD category candidates per paper is 750 rupees, and all other candidates are 1500 rupees. Okay, this is 14th September to 30th September. Okay, uh, this is for late fee. Okay, so if it crosses 30th September, then you can they are adding some fine. With fine, we have 1250 rupees for female candidates per paper, and SC, ST, PWT category candidates 1250 rupees with fine, and all other candidates per paper 2000 rupees with the late fee. Okay, with that means per fine with including fine. Okay, and this is fee particulars regarding GATE 2021 exam. And okay, now GATE 2021 question papers. So pattern of questions. So GATE 2020 would contain questions of three different types in all papers, which are already discussed in starting page itself. So multiple choice questions carrying 1 or 2 marks each, all the papers and sections. These questions are objective in nature, and each will have choice of four answers, out of which only one choice is correct. And for this type of questions, we have negative marking scheme. For 1 mark questions, negative mark is 1 by third will be deducted for a wrong answer, and likewise for 2 marks multiple choice questions, 2 by third mark will be deducted for a wrong answer. This is the first type of question, and second one is a multiple select questions. So carrying 1 or 2 marks each in all the papers and sections. So these questions are objective in nature, and each will have choice of four answers. Okay, each will have choice of four answers, out of which one or more than one choices are correct. That means if the question having four options, this is question A, B, C, D. So we can expect one answer, two answers, or more than one or more than one choices. That means we can expect three options also. Okay, we can expect four options also. Okay, so that is multiple select questions. Okay, so and one more important note is there is no negative marking for a wrong answer in MSQ questions. Okay, so for example, A and B are correct answers for a given question. Okay, and C and D are wrong answers, right? If you choose A answer, and for example, the student can choose A and C answers. So in that case, so one is correct, another one is wrong. The student can choose one correct answer, another one wrong answer. In that case, they don't have to get any credit, and they don't have to get negative marks also. Okay, why? Because these multiple select questions don't have any negative marking for this MSQ question. So if if the student can choose one right and another wrong answers, means that will comes under no partial credit for choosing partially correct combinations of choices or any single wrong choice. If one is correct, another one is wrong, means they won't get any credit. Okay, and if the person choose one, for example, for this question, two options are correct. In that case, student can choose only one answer, that is partial credit. That means no partial credit for choosing partially correct combination. That means that is not the complete answer for a given question, so that they won't get any marks for that question. So this is multiple select questions which are newly introduced in GATE 2021, right? And numerical answer type already we know, which are appeared in 2020 and before 2020 question papers also. So for that also we don't have any negative marking scheme. So only we can have a negative marking scheme for multiple choice questions only, right? And okay, now we will discuss about the syllabus of 2021 GATE. Okay, uh, general aptitude, which is common for all streams. Okay, so first verbal ability, so verbal aptitude, and the next one is quantitative aptitude. Okay, and analytical aptitude. These three topics are similar while comparing to the 2020 exam pattern, right? So these are the three common topics. Okay, so there is no change in these three topics, right? And when it comes to fourth topic, spatial aptitude, okay, which is not available in GATE 2020 syllabus, 20 and before exam. So this spatial aptitude is not there. Okay, in this 2021 they are introducing this spatial aptitude also. In this spatial aptitude we will get a transformation of shapes, translation, rotation, scaling, mirroring, assembling and grouping, paper folding, cutting and patterns in 2 and 3 dimensions. Okay, so for for all these topics, just please refer RS Agarwal, RS Agarwal for reasoning abilities. Okay, so these all topics are available in RS Agarwal for reasoning textbook, right? So these are the new topic in GATE 2021 in general aptitude section, right? So we will look into sample questions on this spatial aptitude also. So we will look into that particular thing. Okay, this is one of the spatial aptitude question, sample question. Okay, so this one is mentioned in information brochure. So like these questions also we can expect in GATE 2021 paper. Okay, and one more thing, okay, now we will look into electronics and communication engineering syllabus. So the first section is engineering mathematics. Okay, So in this engineering mathematics, the first topic is linear algebra and calculus, differential equations, vector analysis, and complex analysis, otherwise complex variables also. Okay, and probability and statistics. Okay, this vector analysis also comes under calculus. That is vector calculus, right? So these are the topics which are available in GATE 2021 syllabus, and from previous years and this year, while comparing these two years, one topic is removed from GATE 2021 in mathematics section, that is numerical methods. Okay, so numerical methods. So this topic is missing in GATE 2021 syllabus. In 2020 and before 2020 papers, numerical methods also one of the topic in mathematics section. But in from 2021 onwards, numerical methods not in ECE syllabus, only ECE, not for other branches, only ECE, right? Electronics and Communication Engineering. Okay, and this is engineering mathematics section. And next we will move to subjects. Okay, now the section 2, networks and signals and system. Okay, so in this networks and network subject is same while comparing to the 2020 and before 2020 papers, and while coming to signals and system, so one small change we can observe here: Fourier series and Fourier transform and sampling theorem and applications. Okay, and DTFT, DFT, jet transform, discrete time processing of continuous time sequence, and LTI system, and some of the properties are also there, and group delay and phase delay. Okay, all the syllabus topics are same while comparing to the 2020. Only one thing is left, that is FFT and filter design. FFT and filter design concepts are missing in GATE 2021 paper. Okay, in earlier 2020 and before 2020 paper, so FFT and filter design also is a part of signals and system, but this time 2021 onwards, FFT and filter design is not available in GATE 2021 syllabus. And when it comes to section 3, that is electronic devices, otherwise electronic device and circuits. Okay, all the subjects are same. Okay, all the topics are same, nothing change. Okay, so and okay, now so section 4, analog circuits. Okay, so this entire subject divided into three parts. One is diode circuits, so clipping, clamping, rectifiers. We don't have filters in this 2021 paper. That means filters is nothing but L filter, C filter, and LC filter and CLC filter. These filters are not mentioned in GATE 2021 analog circuit syllabus. Okay, only clippers, clampers, and rectifiers. Okay, and next, when it comes to second one, BJT and MOSFET amplifiers. Okay, biasing is there, AC coupling, small signal analysis, frequency response, current mirrors, and differential amplifiers. So which is similar to GATE 2021 also, GATE 2020 also. Okay. Next, third part is op-amp circuits. In this op-amp circuits, they are providing amplifiers, summers, differentiators, integrators, and active filters. That means low pass, high pass, band pass, band stop filters with the help of operational amplifier. Next, Smith triggers, and when it comes to this one, oscillators topic. Okay, and here the missing portion is feedback amplifiers, right? Feedback amplifiers. Okay, that is one topic. Another one is triple five timers. Okay, triple five timers. Okay, and one more thing is power amplifiers. Okay, power amplifiers. These are the three topics which are missing in GATE 2021 analog circuit syllabus. Okay, so in 2020, before 2020, So the analog circuit syllabus having this feedback amplifiers, triple five timers, and power amplifiers. But in this GATE 2021 analog circuit, these three topics are missing. Okay, and this is regarding analog circuits, right? And even filters also, right? So next subject is digital circuits, right? And next one is digital circuit. Okay, so in this digital circuits, the number representations which is similar to 20 paper, get 20 paper, and sequential circuits also same. And some new terms they are mentioned, right, like propagation delay, setup and hold time, and critical path delay. So nothing changed in sequential circuits also, and data converter, which is also similar to 2020 paper, semiconductor memories, which is also same. And the newly added topic is computer organization, right? So this is not in 2020 and before 2020 paper under digital circuit syllabus. Okay, this is newly introduced in GATE 2021 digital circuit syllabus. Okay, computer organization, machine instructions and addressing modes, ALU, data path, and control unit, and instruction pipeline. In previous papers like the GATE 2020 and before 2020, the digital circuit syllabus having 8085 processors. Okay, 8085 microprocessor and instruction set and assembly language programming all are available in 2020 digital circuit syllabus, the 2020 digital circuit syllabus. But in this 2021 GATE paper, okay, so the digital circuits don't have 8085 microprocessor. Instead of 8085 microprocessor, they are uh, providing computer organization syllabus, that is machine instructions and addressing modes, and ALU, data path, and control unit, and instruction pipeline. Okay, just they are replacing 8085 processor with computer organization. That is the main observation in digital circuits. Okay, and when it comes to control system part, all the things are same. There is nothing change in control system part while compared to 2020 and before 2020 papers, right? And communication system and communication engineering. Okay, so in this random process, which is same, which is similar to the 2020 paper, and analog communication, which is also same, and information theory, entropy, mutual information, and channel capacity theory, which is also similar to GATE 2020 syllabus, and digital communication, PCM, DPCM, modulation schemes, ASK, PSK, FSK, QAM, bandwidth, intersymbol interference, okay, MEAP, ML detection, matching filter, receiver, and signal to noise ratio and bit error rate. Okay, these all topics are similar to GATE 2020 syllabus. The changes which are observed in communication system is this one. Okay, fundamentals of error correction and Hamming codes. Okay, and cyclic redundancy code. These are the newly added syllabus topics which comes under communication system. Okay, earlier, that means earlier papers, earlier GATE papers, so communication system syllabus do not have this fundamentals of error correction and Hamming codes and CRC methods, cyclic redundancy codes. So, but in 2021 onwards, fundamental of error correction, Hamming code, CRC is a part of communication syllabus, right? Next comes to electromagnetic paper, electromagnetic subject. Okay, in this Maxwell equations, so you don't focus electrostatic fields and magnetostatic fields. That is not in the syllabus of electromagnetics, electromagnetic subject. Okay, so they are directly started with Maxwell equations, right? So differential and integral forms and their interpretation, boundary conditions, and wave equation, pointing vector. This is enough for GATE point of view. Okay, we don't focus on electrostatic fields. That means more focus on electrostatic fields and magnetostatic. That is not essential for this preparation, GATE preparation, right? So you can start directly with Maxwell equation. And next, plane waves and properties. So this is also similar to GATE 2021 20 syllabus, and the transmission is also same. And rectangular and circular waveguides. Okay, and light propagation in optical fibers, dipole and monopole antennas, and linear antenna arrays. Okay, and they are mentioning light propagation in optical fiber. Just you go through optical fiber basics. Okay, that is enough for this gate preparation, right? So there is no change, no changes are observed in electromagnetics for 2020 and 2021, right? So these are the gate syllabus and minor changes which are observed in gate 2021 ECE paper, right? So for more updates regarding this gate, so you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.